Disease affects all of us. I take it very personal. My brother died of ALS, a terrible disease. He was diagnosed 4 years ago and he left us about a year and a half ago. About a month after he passed away, some major breakthroughs were published on ALS. I want to speed up this process, and if I can save one person the agony of going through 17 months of losing their life, then I've made a difference.
15 years ago, I walked into a lab for the first time and I was shocked by what I saw. I saw scientists working in their open space with no privacy and dealing with constant interruption from people coming into that space, and they have to work really long hours first to write grants just to be able to pay their salaries and then to do their experiments.
It's not that hard to find a cure to a disease. It's a matter of finding all the pieces of the puzzle that are scattered all over the world in the thousands of laboratories amongst the hundreds of thousands of scientists. Now, wouldn't it be great if the scientists can start communicating with each other and exchanging the missing pieces of the puzzle, and they end up with a completed puzzle? And there you have a quicker way to find the right answers to the cures to disease. Our website helps scientists all over the world connect and collaborate over the internet. It speeds up scientific discoveries and helps us heal diseases faster.
My own personal story of success through the interaction on the forums came when I needed to have a bioinformatics search done, and I posted a request for a specific motif search and how to find the interacting partners for that motif, and within 24 hours I had over 25 replies that essentially performed the motif search for me, gave me the data, and I formed 2 new collaborations with people with whom I wouldn't have otherwise interacted, and a few months later I got my paper.
When I went to Kary Mullis, one of the world's most famous scientists, a Nobel Laureate, and asked him to be an advisor, he was so excited about what we were doing. I want scientists to be recognized for the heroes they are. When we talk about teachers and firefighters and nurses being heroes, we need to add scientists to that list.
We've been at this for 8 years. We have over 1 million scientists from 163 countries using our site. We have 60,000 posts and protocols listed, contributed by scientists around the world. We have accomplished a lot, but we've only reached 1/10 of all the scientists.
About 4 years ago, we hit critical mass, where a scientist could post a problem and get immediate responses from scientists around the world.
But we've depleted our life savings, and we really can't keep on going like this.
Indiegogo is our last hope to really make this site everything it can be. We want to revolutionize the way scientists do research, fund research, and heal disease.
The main thing we want to use the money for is to rebuild the code for our site. We also want to actually pay our forum moderators what they're worth.
If you're a scientist and you help us reach our goal with this fundraising campaign, we have some really cool perks for you. If we reach our goal and your lab is mentioned the most, your lab will receive a $5,000 grant to be used for whatever it is you need. If we reach our goal and your institution is mentioned the most, your postdoc association or graduate student organization will receive $20,000. All you have to do is make sure when you spread the word to your friends and family, they mention your institution and lab with every donation made. Please click the link below to help us accelerate finding cures for disease through supporting scientists. Just click here now. Thank you.